In these early 2021, Samsung is going to launch its latest series of Galaxy S smartphones, and it will be unveiled on January 14, 2021. There's been some heavy leaking for these new phones, so let's welcome the three Galaxy S series. The S21, S21 Plus, and S21 Ultra. We wanted to run up the specs of the Galaxy S series, but for now, all of these are based on the rumors so far. For the design, the S21 Plus and S21 Ultra will come with a combination of aluminum frame and glass back, while the S21, as for the trend of the rumors, it says that it will have a plastic back. We all have seen this for some Samsung devices. For the display, the S21 comes with 6.2 inches, S21 Plus have it 6.7 inches, while S21 Ultra with a larger 6.8 inches. All three devices have its Samsung Infinity O design, and comes out with dynamic AMOLED display. Also, the S21 and S21 Plus will have a flat design display, while the S21 Ultra will have a slight curve on the edges. Now, let's go for the camera. The S21 and S21 Plus may come with like the last year model of S20 and S20 Plus series with 12-megapixel ultra-wide, 12-megapixel primary, and 64-megapixel telephoto. It may also have a 10-megapixel front camera, while the S21 Ultra may come with 12-megapixel ultra-wide, 108-megapixel primary, 64-megapixel telephoto, and 10-megapixel periscope camera with 10x times optical zoom. For the front camera, it has a 40-megapixel. For the performance, the S21 Ultra comes with 12 GB of RAM, while S21 and S21 Plus will only have a 6 GB of RAM. But for the storage, maybe all the devices will have a 128 GB, 256 GB, and 512 GB. Also, the processor may come with the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 chipset. For the battery, S20 comes with 4000 mAh battery, S21 Plus will have a 4800 mAh battery, while the S21 Ultra will be having the largest with 5000 mAh battery. Also, rumors are also suggesting that the new S21 Ultra will have an S Pen. For the conclusion, all of these are just rumored, but in the end, I think the new Galaxy S series are much better than the last year model.